on the TV board. So we're going to the Seattle Center, and I'm currently on the 10 right now. And also, it's 4362, the bus that we rode over a year ago on the 12 from the first ever bus we rode on the main channel. Huh, that's cool. R.I.P. Mercer stop. And yeah, if you guys didn't notice, there's snow like everywhere right now. It's all icy up there. I slipped down. I almost slipped a little bit ago. And yeah, like I'm the only one here. But yeah, this 10 is also on the snow route, so enjoy the classic 10 ride. This is so cursed. The 8th snow route is planned, by the way. It's so cursed. Now that that trip down memory lane is over, I should probably explain why I'm going to Seattle Center. We're gonna go see the trains there. I thought it would be a cool vlog for you guys, and I haven't posted one in like 3 weeks now, so yeah. Good way to come back. It only happens during December, and it's gonna end on the 31st. As I'm filming this, it's the 21st right now, so yeah. Glad I remembered to do this because I haven't done it in years, and yeah, let's go see it. And if you guys are curious as to why I didn't catch the 8 on Pine Street, well, it's because the 8th snow route is a mess. Like, it would take longer to get there, so I'm just gonna ride the light rail from the monorail, and then yeah, let's go. What on earth? I have never seen a streetcar say that before. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Remember Glows that closed in Summit, guys? Well, it's moving up here now, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Sorry about the fire, Glows in. Christmas spirit everywhere. Oh, hell yeah! We already got our train. I stopped to film that last clip, and it just pulled in. Convenient. Of course, Westlake is packed like usual. Not too many people are going to Seattle Center because, you know, COVID's still there. What happened here? It's like all gone. Oh, okay, there's one right there. So yeah, guys, we're gonna take the Westlake Center way because I really do not like the stairway in between the monorail and down here. So yeah. Besides, Westlake Center, I gotta show you guys how little things there are here now. Oh good, they finally fixed this escalator that's been broken for a while. Well, check it out, guys. It's pretty nice here now. I like the ornaments here. Wish they'd keep something here all the time. Pretty much like every season. Merry Christmas, everyone. By the way, guys, candy time. Best store in the whole mall. I love Very Church elbows, okay? Wow. This is cool. They can make some like BT hoodies here or something. There's like nothing here now. Actually, like really sad. Because this used to be like one of my favorite malls. Oh, just boring. Oh no! I got robbed. Oh no! You know what? I'm gonna walk faster because I do not like that sound. Here's the new food court. I like it, but the old one was better. I like all the poinsettias everywhere. Oh no, I have to walk by the beeping noise again. Look at this. Just one stupid giant clothing store. It is on 5th Avenue, so yeah, that's fitting for a man. The new monorail terminal I already filmed the video here. Yeah. Oh yes, we got the red one. The one that's just an ad for Pepsi now. And yeah, look at this. It has to extend over. Oh man, I haven't been the red one in a while. So yeah, let's go. But the streets down here aren't icy. I like this view right here. All right, we got the red one as well. Oh yeah, hopefully we leave soon. Enjoy the ride. Hi there, South Lake Main Street car. Nobody went in for it. Yeah, it has a low ridership. I left the crossbar right here. Oh no. Okay, guys, let's go see this. I like the red decoration up here. All right, let's go see this train. Oh yeah, I can faintly see it. Let's check it out. Oh, there's a Mario ticket booth in here. That's cool. Oh, it's packed. Well, it is during this time, so you can see like the train and stuff. Look at this, it's awesome. Like, oh, there's one. Look around more. Armory is very festive right now. Oh, the giant Christmas tree. I haven't been to the Armory around this time in ages. This beautiful beach. King. Oh my. A real life replica of King Street Station. Man. Jeez. Man, when I grow up, I want a model train system like this. Guys. Don't drink, kids. Oh, that's cool. Very, very accurate. I think King Street Station's a little darker, but is there only one? I don't think there was always one. Man, look at that old fire truck right there. I can't believe I forgot about this. I hate to say it, guys, but I actually forgot that this existed. I just don't come to Seattle Center very much. Air balloon landed. So next question, is this based off of Seattle? Because like King Street Station's right here. Alright, let's go check out the rest. Ooh, scavenger hunt. I'm gonna take this. You know what? I'm not gonna put myself grabbing paper, so I'm gonna grab it off camera. I would like want to have this in my future house. Oh. Wait, it's stopped. It's stopped. Oh wait, there's the other one. There's the one I was doing earlier. Nah, I love this like brick building right here. Ice skating. Oh, little snowman. Ooh. I like that station right there. Let's check this. I wish you like the opera. This is based off of Seattle, then, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Come to Winterfest 2022 before it's too late. It was almost too late for me. But still, that's cool. So yeah, come to it before the 31st. See ya. I referenced these earlier and I just found them in the Bubbles in this shop that just opened here. Oh yeah.